Welcome back to the 125cc build, where nothing, and I mean nothing, ever goes as planned. Today's adventure, I go to kickstart the bike, and the Kickstarter basically says, nope. Turns out it's smashing into a random bolt on the frame, like it's trying to pick a fight. And just when we thought that was the big problem, surprise, we've got absolutely zero compression. Yep, this bike is out here breathing less than I do after climbing one flight of stairs. Let's dive in.
Alright guys, we're back. So, running into an issue with my kickstart hitting my damn brake lever, the rear brake lever. So, we're going to swap this one back out and put the old one back on there and see if that solves my problem. Hopefully. Give it back! There we go. Back on with the old. Sure I'm doing this the right way now. There. Awesome. Yeah, this sucks right here. Tight spot in the way it's at. Whatever. Woo! Here we go. See? I'm gonna fucking throw her on the side. Oh, that's why I took this one off. Well, you know what that means.
Gotta cut another one.
Cut that one down. Alright guys. Don't freak out. Oh wait. We're on YouTube. Better put my safety glasses on. That guy's cutting stuff without safety. Safety first. See? Shit. Shit, Tim. Let's see. Sometimes you just gotta make stuff work. And it looks like that might have worked too. Should do it. I spun it around a couple of times and then it seemed to. hell's that coming from? Honestly, I keep getting stuck on that one. And that never got taken off either, so... Alright guys, we shall return. Take it over.
And that's where we're ending today's episode. The Kickstart finally moves like it's supposed to, but now we're dealing with a whole new mystery. Where did all the compression go? Hopefully we can track it down before this bike decides to throw any more surprises at us. Stick around for the next video, because with our luck, it's going to be interesting. See you in the next video. Peace.